Hey guys, welcome to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Traveler. We are Priyanka and Pranjal. In case you have not watched our previous videos from Iceland, we will provide you the link in the description for you to watch it later. It's 5 AM in the morning, we had coffee and our breakfast, and after that we started our day with a hike.
So guys, good morning, and we are heading to Studlagil Canyon since we could not do it yesterday because we had arrived late. So after the bridge we came to the parking lot. The drive was a bit bumpy, so if you're not really comfortable, you can avoid it and you can just park at the bridge and walk from there. So we are on the parking lot on the other side of the bridge. We somehow managed to drive till here, and then from here 2-kilometer trail to the canyon. So let's go. So guys, we are just following the river and we have to reach exactly on the other side of where our campsite was located, because that's the area from where you can go down the canyon, and it is I think maybe another 10 to 15 minutes walk from here. So if you're planning to come here to Studlagil Canyon and you want to camp overnight, you can choose this campsite, so that maybe late night if you want to go or early morning, you can just come to the parking lot. It's hardly 5 minutes from the campsite, and then you can do the trail to the Studlagil Canyon.
And also just note, the overall drive even from the main road to here is little bit sketchy. So yeah, if you are really comfortable with driving on a gravel road, then only drive here. So guys, finally we made it to the Studlagil Canyon. It is very beautiful. There is a column in both the side and the river is flowing in between. It is actually a picture perfect place, right?
That makes a good photo spot for everyone.
And even a drone spot. And there are so many people actually flying drone here. It's a little bit sketchy to go down.
There is no paved path or something to go down to the canyon. So you have to use a rock to go down, and it might be little slippery if it is raining. So you might need to avoid it if it is raining. Right now the temperature is good, so we took a chance. We went down and took a lot of good shots.
And even the drone shots.
And Priyanka enjoyed her
finger while.
So I was not able to land the drone properly over the rocks. I got a little tense because it was about to crash, and then Priyanka brave took the drone in her hand and enjoyed her little finger, I guess, this thumb.
But it was fun.
It was fun. But need to be little careful there.
We have to be careful there. Just plan where you will land your drone, and it was actually windy also. Somehow our drone was hovering here and there. It actually crashed.
If you don't want to come down to the rocks, you can view it from the top as well.
So guys, we finally crossed the hardest part of the road and we are back on our way to Dettifoss, right?
Yes, another waterfall up on the ring road, Dettifoss.
Let's go.
So on the way to Dettifoss, we stopped on a scenic overlook, and from there we saw a beautiful snow-covered volcanic crater, and it looks so beautiful, breathtaking actually. So guys, we just started driving after waiting at that overlook, and then out of nowhere there's this cafe in between. Like there's nothing else around, I think around the radius of few kilometers, and then there is this cafe. It's like an oasis in the desert, guys, and we are going there.
It is a cute little cafe, and we ordered lamb soup and famous Icelandic hot dog, which we thoroughly enjoyed. So guys, we just arrived at Dettifoss, so there is a pathway which will take us to the Dettifoss waterfall. Foss is waterfall, so let's see.
So guys, it's a 1 kilometer trail to the waterfall from the parking lot, and it's a fragile area, so you need to walk on the path. The force is really powerful of this waterfall. Like, I don't know how many gallons and tons of water are coming down. It's amazing.
And for a brief period when sun was out, we can see the rainbow, but unfortunately we could capture that. In case it comes again, I'll do that. But yeah, enjoy the view of the waterfall. So guys, there are different viewpoints of waterfall where you can enjoy the view. Each viewpoint provides a different angle and different perspective of the waterfall. Guys, look, rainbow! Oh, it looks so beautiful, right? So guys, next we are heading to Selfoss.
Yeah, Selfoss is like just 0.7 kilometers walk from the Dettifoss. It's on the it's in the same area. And there are directions provided, so you can just follow the directions. So
Yeah.
let's go.
Yeah,
We saw that waterfall from a little far, and it looks really interesting. So we are done with both the waterfalls, Dettifoss and Selfoss, and both were really gorgeous. Now we are heading to Krafla.
So guys, we are here at Krafla area.
Yeah.
It's a crater and
Krafla volcanic system.
yeah, okay.
It's like a volcanic caldera. I'm not really sure what is that. I was reading about it. It means, I guess, the volcanic system.
Okay.
This whole area is kind of a volcanic region, and then there are so many spots here. The one which you are seeing
Right now. Yeah, we will show it to you guys, and also we are going to hike a little bit. This area is huge, but we are only doing a part of it. If you are here for a longer time, you can explore the area much more.
Yeah, we are just here to see the blue or green colored lake, which is known as the Viti Crater, which is like the center of Krafla caldera. So we'll show you that first. Is it cold and windy?
It's very windy.
How does it feel walking next to a crater, volcanic crater?
Special?
Special?
Come on, crater with turquoise water. How often you see that? So yeah, I'm feeling special. It was dinner time, we were really hungry, so we decided to have pizza at this place called Daddy's Pizza. Totally recommended if you are in the area.
So guys, we had our dinner, pizza, and then we are heading to one of the Game of Thrones locations. So guys, this is the Game of Thrones location known as Grjótagjá. Can you figure out where this cave was used? Let us know in the comment section. It smells. I don't know how they shot the scenes. Smelling. This used to be nice bathing place for people until 1975. After that there was one volcanic eruption, and then the water temperature rose to around 60 degrees, so you cannot go and bathe inside now.
So guys, now we are going to viewpoints from where we will see geothermal pools. So I can't pronounce the name of the place, so I'll let you know in the description. So come. Surreal land, man. Surreal land. Oh god. I have seen this before in Yellowstone National Park, but this is something different. I don't know what kind of different, but it is different. So guys, we are here at our last location of the day, Godafoss, right?
Yeah,
if I'm
Godafoss.
Yeah, if I am pronouncing it right. This is a beautiful waterfall along the way to Hverir. That's a town.
Hverir or something. Yeah.
That's the name of the town. I'll let you know in the description.
That's where we are staying.
Yeah, that's where we are heading, and we are going to spend a night there.
So it's around 10:30 now, and just look at the daylight.
So guys, look at the waterfall. It looks so beautiful, and the sun is also about to set. So everything is looking very nice because of the clouds and the waterfall. Oh my god, such a perfect end of the day.
The view of mountains.
Oh wow. That's all from today's video. Hope you like it. Stay tuned for our next video where we will take you to the most famous hot spring in Iceland. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Traveler and click that bell icon for notifications. See you guys in our next video.